Hi everyone, are you into the business of cleaning pools and are you losing potential clients online to your competitors? If yes, then do watch this video till the end because we are going to share with you strategies which will help you to rank your website at the top of Google locally and draw more leads for your business. For easy understanding of how we can do this, we'll be sharing a detailed case study about a client of ours whom we helped to rank at top of search results locally for his pool cleaning services. We started this project with analyzing his website and finding out what exactly his top competitors were doing. We did focus on user experience and hence diligent market research was carried out. Based on the research, we suggested list of keywords for the client to approve, and once those were approved, we set out to work on page SEO part of things. In this case, we worked on page titles, header tags, meta description, and even content optimization. Landing pages were also optimized. We introduced certain call to actions to get better conversions. For backlinks, the idea was pretty simple: to get relevant backlinks from niche-based websites, and that too which enjoy good authority from Google. We also added single nav to all the pool cleaning services available for the client to make his website more visible in search results. Google business profile was set up, optimized, and then promoted in the right manner so that we could attain better rankings in map listings. We also cultivated positive reviews from satisfied clients and encouraged the client to post them online regularly. Finally, our diligent efforts resulted in good rankings for the client locally, and we could see increase in organic traffic to the website. Based on top rankings, the client was able to gather almost 615 plus leads for his business through organic SEO. In case you are offering any similar services of pool cleaning in your local area and are looking to generate more leads online through organic SEO, feel free to get in touch with us and we surely will be able to help. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.